Sam and I have had a great day here at Fishguard Show. The sun has been shining this afternoon. We've had an opportunity to talk to lots and lots of people about some of the issues facing them, especially in the agricultural industry, and we are here obviously to champion them and to stand up for them and to be their voice in the Senedd.
Yeah, Fishguard Show, what a day for it. This is perfect show weather. No one's down the beach because they're all here at Kevin Adair Fields enjoying Fishguard Show, talking to a whole range of farmers. And look, let's be honest, a lot of farmers are frustrated about what's happening at a Westminster level around the changes to inheritance tax, but frustrated at a Welsh Government level as well around the introduction of the Sustainable Farming Scheme, NVZs, and the failure to eradicate bovine TB. Something that has really hit Pembrokeshire is that failure to eradicate bovine TB. Paul and I will always be the friend to farmers, backing our farmers, our food producers, who are the very best.